Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm ShatoyaLynn. Thank you for stopping by. So today I've decided we are going to be doing a shrimp stir fry. So this is because who wants to cook on a Friday night? Not me. So this was very fast and easy. So what I did was I have the frozen items, which you see here is the deluxe stir fry and the already cooked shrimps, so that it'll be, less time, cut some time, and more time for yourself. And that actually has a lot of things in it. And again, like I said, we got that shrimp. It's already cooked. I seasoned it, and it's good to go. Diced yellow onions, soy sauce, minced garlic, garlic powder, olive oil, onion powder, total seasoning, Larry's seasoning, and black pepper is all you need. That's it. Alright guys, but before we get started, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below. Don't forget to head over to my family channel, which is ShatoyaLynn and family. And guys, I'll see you over there. I haven't posted yet guys, but it's almost time. But let's get into this video. Alright, so what I did was I washed the shrimps, even though it said, it was washed and deveined and everything like that, but I still went in and, cleaned them and rinsed them and just made sure that they were clean, even though they are already pre-cooked. So I'm just seasoning with the seasonings that you guys saw already, just seasoning up the shrimp here. You can use any of your favorite seasonings, nothing in particular. Literally, this is just the easiest, fastest, delicious meal that you can do for the family. The kids will love it and they can get their veggies in. And yeah, so I'm just doing that right here, just putting a little olive oil just so that the seasoning can stick to the shrimps, being that they are already cooked and frozen at that. So that's what I'm doing here. So, what you're gonna do is just mix all your seasonings together, get that olive oil worked in, and stick into the shrimps. It's a little tough because they're frozen. Also, they are already cooked. So, just want to use that olive oil kind of like as binding to the shrimps. But it looks pretty good. Just keep mixing that in, and then you're good to go. So I'm just mixing, and on to the next step, guys. Alright, so I just put some olive oil in the wok. I'm gonna put the garlic and the onions. Chop onions. Then you gotta really hurry up and get that the minced garlic because it will burn so fast. You gotta get the stirring before the minced garlic burn. Then you just wanna go ahead and add in your veggies. Let the onions get coated with the oil and kind of like caramelized. Then you want to go ahead and dump in, yep, just dump it on in. And there you go. So beautiful, so many colors. Then you want to mix that in. Now I did put this in the microwave so that it could cook. It was frozen, but I did put it in the microwave so that I could cook a little bit before I added it to the wok. Being that the shrimps are is already, pre-cooked, it won't take long for them to do what they need to do. So look, look at that. And I already cooked some white rice for this to go over, so you'll see that towards the end. Yep, and I gotta capture some footage on my phone so I can post it on Instagram. Alright guys, but this is almost done. Put a little more soy sauce, and I have the white rice already ready for this lovely meal. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, please don't forget to subscribe so you can get more videos from your girl. And again, don't forget to head over to that family channel, ShatoyaLynn and Family. And I will see you guys next time, and stay safe and blessed.